Realme is a relatively recent player in the smartphone market, but this Chinese upstart has shaken up the mobile industry with a range of unique and powerful phones at competitive prices. That's part in thanks to the Realme's connection to Oppo. Realme founder Sky Lee was previously an Oppo vice president, and the two companies still share R&D, engineering and distribution infrastructure, and most obvious in the way that Realme UI is remarkably close to the Oppo's ColorOS, and there is no bad thing. Like Oppo itself, Realme has more recently pushed into international markets and expanded its product portfolio beyond just phones to include offerings like true wireless headphones, tablets and smartwatches as well. In this video, I'm going to show you 8 best, amazing, latest Realme phones that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which Realme phone did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buying any new Realme phone, you can ask me on Instagram. I have given the link in the description. You can message me there and I will reply you back. Realme GT Neo 3, the fastest charging Realme phone. The Realme GT Neo 3 is all about speed, right down to the racing strips emblazoned across the back. Strangely, the phone is available in 2 versions worldwide, though the most exciting version is that offers 150 watt wire charging, the world's fastest phone in the budget category. The trade-off for the fast charging is a slightly smaller battery, but longevity is still decent enough. The phone is fast elsewhere too, powered by the flagship Dimensity 8100 chipset and has a decent main camera too. Buy this amazing smartphone for its fastest 150 watt fast charging, striking design and excellent performance. Links are provided in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Realme C55. The Realme C55 is an impressive budget-friendly smartphone priced in a low-budget category, and it features a vibrant IPS LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 680 nits. Running on Android 13 with the Realme UI 4.0, the device offers a smooth and intuitive user experience. Equipped with the MediaTek Helio G88 chipset, it ensures efficient performance for day-to-day tasks. The dual camera setup on the rear consists of a 64MP wide-angle lens and a 2MP depth sensor, enabling you to capture stunning photos. And for selfies, the device sports a 8MP front camera and it takes decent selfies. Completely, it's an value for money package. Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G. For those seeking a flagship level performance, the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G is a top contender. Priced around $300 or 20 to 24,000 Indian rupees, it features a powerful Dimensity 1080 chipset, ensuring seamless multitasking and enhanced gaming capabilities. The standout feature of the device is the 108MP Pro Light camera, which delivers exceptional image quality. The 120Hz refresh rate and curved display contribute to a visually immersive experience, and additionally the 67-watt Superbook charging technology allows for lightning fast charging and ensuring minimal downtime. Realme Narzo 60 Pro, the budget king. The Realme Narzo 60 Pro is the latest budget device from Realme, offering flagship-like specification. For example, the smartphone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor, which is a very powerful one, coupled with up to 8GB and 12GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. The phone also packs huge 5000 mAh of battery that comes with a 67-watt fast charging technology. Coming to the cameras are very similar to the Realme Narzo 11. It features a 100 megapixel primary camera and a 2 megapixel depth camera, and there is a single 16 megapixel front selfie camera that takes decent selfies. The smartphone is good at the dimensions. It is very slim, measuring 8.2mm in thickness and weighs around 185 grams. Launched in cosmic night, marshy and sunrise colors, which are very attractive. Realme Narzo N55, the best low-budget Realme phone. The phone comes with attractive specification. If you want a best device at low budget, then this is the one. Powered by MediaTek Helio G88 processor, coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, it's quite a powerful smartphone, packing 5000 mAh of battery with the 33-watt fast charging support. The cameras are also very impressive as it features a dual camera in which the primary camera is 64 megapixel for HD quality photos, and also it has a decent selfie camera of 8 megapixel. Coming to the dimensions of the phone is very slim and lightweight, measuring just 7.89 millimeter in thickness and weighing around 189 grams. And the smartphone was launched in attractive prime black and prime blue colors. Realme GT Neo 5 SE, an amazing mid-ranger. The Realme GT Neo 5 SE is an amazing smartphone offering flagship-like features at a very minimal cost. The smartphone is powered by an octa-core processor coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. The phone packs huge 5500 mAh of battery that comes with a fast charging support. Coming to the cameras, there is a triple rear camera setup comprising of 64 megapixel primary camera, 8MP ultra wide and 2MP macro camera, and also it features a 16 megapixel front selfie camera which takes decent selfies. The phone is a bit thick because of 5500 mAh of battery. It measures 8.95 mm in thickness and weighs around 193 grams. The smartphone was launched in Final Fantasy and Polar Black colors. Realme GT Neo 5, the best mid-ranger. The Realme GT Neo 5 is a flagship killer smartphone from Realme offering great features. The smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is very powerful one, coupled with 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. The phone also packs huge 5000 mAh of battery that comes with a fast charging support. The cameras are very impressive. It sports a triple camera setup featuring 50 megapixel primary camera, 8MP ultra wide and 2MP macro, and there is also a 16 megapixel front selfie camera that takes beautiful selfies. The phone measures 8.9 mm in thickness and weighs around 199 grams. So overall it has got a unique design and it's a best flagship killer in the market. Realme 11 Pro Plus, overall the best Realme phone. Realme 11 Pro Plus has been officially launched recently and it is a successor of Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G. With a number of upgrades on offer, the 11 Pro Plus 5G finds itself competing against higher priced rivals such as Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, Motorola H40 and iQOO Neo 7 and the Poco F5 5G, and the smartphone features a 200 megapixel primary camera and 100 watt fast charging to compete against these contenders. The smartphone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor, which is very powerful one, coupled with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. The phone also packs huge 5000 mAh of battery. Coming to the cameras are very impressive. The design is very unique for the camera bump. So there is a 200 megapixel of primary camera that takes very detailed pictures, and also there is a 32 megapixel front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. The phone measures 8.7 mm in thickness and weighs around 189 grams. The smartphone was launched in Rising Sun, City of Green Fields and Starry Night Black colors. So these are the 8 amazing Realme phones that you can consider to buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.